Another tool that I learned about this semester is Factile, and I think this will be beneficial in a first grade classroom because it will keep the students engaged and it will allow them to have fun while also learning and getting an educational experience at the same time. So you're going to go to the factile.com, playfactile.com. Once you get there, click create game, and it's going to ask you to type in the title of your game. So we're going to say um, first grade. We'll do geography. We'll just type geo for short. And you're going to get redirected, and it's going to bring you to the Factile. So we'll type the full thing here. And then each category will be relating to the main title at the top, first grade geography. So we could say like United States, so USA, Spain, Italy, China, yeah, we'll just do those four for now. And then each factile could be like, what is the capital of New Jersey? And then type in the answer. So then you would fill out the whole chart. And once that's all filled out, it'll allow you to have each um, amount of money to be yellow. So it'll show you that it's filled out. And then once you're done, you're just gonna um, keep creating it. And then once you're done, it's gonna allow you to have the option to play the game. So you can play this game in a first grade classroom, put it up on the board. All the students have the opportunity to answer questions and become involved in participating and trying to compete against each other to see who knows the most about each place for first grade geography. I think this will be beneficial in the classroom because it'll allow students to become involved and more focused on the grade content that's being taught.